Today we're going to be making a chocolate and coffee cake with a cream cheese coffee frosting and melted chocolate and some raspberries on the top. For this cake, we're going to be using the Reynolds Parchment Paper, which makes it super easy to peel as it's totally non-stick and perfect for baking. So we're starting off with a box cake mix. It's a chocolate cake mix. It's the most simple thing you could possibly do. So essentially follow the instructions on the box. We're adding some oil, some water, and some eggs. And then the little twist is that we're gonna add some instant coffee, and we're gonna just put the instant coffee into the mix and it'll give it a really nice coffee flavor in addition to the chocolate. We are going to whisk. I think this is ready to go into the parchment paper in the cake tin. So the parchment paper is super easy to cut because it's like when you're cutting wrapping paper and you just keep going. It's great. So I've already cut out the circular piece of parchment paper for the bottom of the cake tin, and then I've got this long one that goes around the inside. Then we can get it into the oven. I don't know if you can see this. I don't want to tip it, but essentially the cake is ready to go in the oven. I've preheated it to 180 Celsius, which is 350 in Fahrenheit. And yeah, that's literally it for now. We just need to put this in the oven. The cake is almost ready. It has a couple minutes left. So we're gonna make the frosting, which is actually cream cheese frosting. And I have dissolved instant coffee into some hot water, and this is about 2 tablespoons. And I'm just gonna pour it in. So literally just pour it over the cream cheese frosting, and I've got this like silicone spoon, and I'm just gonna mix it together. So yeah, you just have to continue to stir it together until it's combined. Oh, the cake's ready. Okay, let's grab that. So the cake is ready and it looks great. I mean, it's super bouncy and moist. We're gonna do the test. So I'm just gonna go right for the middle. And perfect. Wow, I'm very happy about that. Once the cake is cooled, we will peel the parchment paper off, which should be glorious, and then just frost the cake. This has cooled enough that I can take the tin off it. Are you ready for this? I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, that was wild. The best part, which, oh my gosh, I'm actually quite nervous about this. So the tin is off. The moment of truth. I feel like I'm on a game show. Okay, ready? Wow. The frosting is looking delicious. So I'm just gonna spread this. Wow. I feel like this requires some serious concentration. I think that looks good. Okay, wow, I went wild with the frosting. I'm going to add some raspberries and then drizzle the chocolate. I love raspberries, actually. I'm just gonna really drizzle that all over the cake. Oh my gosh, this looks amazing, if I do say so myself. So, oh, lots of overflowing chocolate and frosting, but this cake is finished. I'm gonna cut myself a slice right now.